Hello students! Have you ever wondered how you keep bouncing when you jump on a trampoline? Well, the answer to this includes lots of science. Surprised? Let's take a look at this science in play. Jumping is something we all learn at a pretty early age. Even just a few seconds off the ground is exhilarating no matter what your age. But when you give your natural jump just a little bit of a spring, defying gravity becomes easy. Jumping up and down on a trampoline is an excellent way to illustrate all three Newton's laws of motion. You don't get propelled upward if you simply stand on a trampoline. You have to jump. That is, you have to apply an external force. It's also that you don't keep flying upward into the outer space after the first jump. The external force of gravity brings you back down. Also, you don't fly through the bottom of the trampoline when you come down. Gravity and the springs of the trampoline keep you bouncing. This illustrates Newton's first law, which states that an object will continue its motion unless acted upon by an external force. Newton's second law states that the acceleration of an object depends on its mass and the net force acting upon it. Basically, this means it requires more force to move a heavier, larger object. Thus, adults have to use more energy to bounce on a trampoline than children do. This simple equation is equal to find the equations of kinetic energy, where acceleration is simply the acceleration due to gravity. Newton's third law states that for every action, there is an equal opposite reaction. This is where you get the bounce. Whenever you are jumping on a trampoline, each time you push down on the trampoline, an equal and opposite reaction pushes you up in the air. Thus, the simple activity of trampoline jumping illustrates all the three Newton's laws of motion. Let's have a look at an interesting fact about trampoline jumping. In olden days, trampoline jumping was not just a fun activity. In Alaska, they used to toss a native person via a blanket to be able to see farther over the flat terrain. I hope you have understood the concept. Thank you. Happy learning.